life. It's the one thing we all have, yet none of us can keep forever. Every second that passes is a piece of our story, gone. We don't get to rewind it, edit it, or replay it. But we do get to choose how we live it. The truth is, life is short, but it is also incredibly important. Think about it. An average human lives about 4,000 weeks. That sounds like a lot. But how many of those weeks have already passed for you? How many more do you have left? We waste so much time thinking life will last forever, scrolling endlessly on our phones, postponing dreams, holding grudges, and waiting for the right time, not realizing that time is quietly slipping away. Every sunrise you see is not just a beautiful view, it's one less sunrise you'll ever see. Every conversation you have with someone could be the last one. The truth is, life doesn't give you a warning before it ends. If life is short, why does it matter so much? Because it's the only chance you have to love, to dream, to create, to help, and to leave a mark. You might not be able to change the whole world, but you can change someone's world. Your life is important because you are important. The way you treat others, the way you speak, the way you love, it creates ripples you might never see, but they last far longer than your time here. Ask people near the end of their lives what they regret most, and you'll rarely hear them say, "I wish I worked more hours," or "I wish I bought a bigger car." Instead, they say, "I wish I spent more time with my loved ones. I wish I traveled more. I wish I told people how I really felt." We think we have years to do the things we dream about, but in reality, we only have moments. The problem is, we live as if we're immortal, until one day, we're reminded that we're not. So how do we honor the short but precious life we have? Be present. Stop waiting for someday. Enjoy the coffee you're drinking right now. Listen to the rain. Feel the warmth of the sun. Love loudly. Tell people you love them. Hug them. Forgive them. You never know when it's the last time. Chase your dreams now. Start the business. Write the book. Take the trip. Fear will always be there, but time won't. Take care of yourself. Your health, your mind, your soul, these are the foundations of a meaningful life. Give more than you take. Help someone. Share your knowledge. Kindness doesn't cost anything, but it's priceless. Let me tell you a short story. There was a man who worked hard his whole life, always saying, "I'll enjoy life when I retire." He saved money, postponed vacations, skipped family gatherings, all for the future. Finally, he retired at 65, but within 6 months, he passed away. His story isn't unique. It's the story of millions of people who forget that life is happening now. Tomorrow is not guaranteed. The only time you truly own is this very moment. Life is short, but it's not meaningless. It's short, so make it beautiful. It's short, so make it kind. It's short, so live it with purpose. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Create it. Don't save your best words, your best hugs, your best dreams for later. Later might never come. In the end, it won't matter how many years you lived. What will matter is how you lived those years. So, live fully, love deeply, laugh often, and never forget, the clock is ticking, but your story is still being written. Make it worth reading.